Alright, let's start by saying that my life is about to change forever, and I don't expect anyone to understand why I'm doing this. I really don't, but have you ever felt so different, so weird, so silly, so goofy, and so out of the ordinary? That's how I felt my entire life here in Chicago. Trust me, I love Chicago, don't get me wrong. It's such a beautiful place to live. But I don't want to be forced to stay here anymore. I need to leave everything behind me because there's just so much bad past here that I don't want to deal with it anymore. I know there's something seriously wrong with me. The way I think isn't how others think. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for whoever I'm going to hurt because of this decision. I know I'm a complicated person. I'm sorry for my brother, Jordan, for all the stupid stuff I have done to you, going from not believing in you and just for all the other stuff lately. I need to let this stuff out now before it's too late. I'm sorry about everything. I really am.
You got my weird thinking in there, right? Well, so I guess I'm ready to tell you now. I'll just go tell you.
I'm sorry, Mom, for never listening to you when you needed me to listen to you the most. I know I'm a horrible son, but I've tried to make everything up to you lately, and I'm sorry that I'm leaving, but I need to do this for my sake.
I told you it was in the video, so just watch a couple seconds of it. You hear what I said.
Some end the chapter, right? And I finished this book, and Josh didn't realize that once he left everyone, there's starting to be
Pause it.
life.
Right there, that.
That was
Right there. What I said. So, this has been for a while, since forever. It's been the plan. This has been the plan since the beginning.
My Uncle Victor has been my everything. When I stopped talking to my dad, he kind of filled that role in a way that my dad couldn't. He has helped me out through everything, and I know I could never repay you for that. And I'm gonna miss you so much, and I'm sorry that I couldn't repay you enough for all the favors that you've done for me. I just hope that you understand what I'm trying to accomplish.
So I have big news. Since forever, it's been the plan. Early September.
For the rest of my family and friends, thanks for being in my life and for making any type of impact that you've made for me. I'm not the person that I want to be. I haven't been the person that I want to be for this past 18 years. I've been trying to find myself more and more lately, but it's just so hard. All these things that have happened to me, and I keep telling myself that things are going to get better and everything will be okay, but it won't. I need to escape my problems. I need to run away.
Turn your name out there. Yeah. Figure it out. Do you want to move up there? The big pause is down when I look. My plan is August.
God.
It's gonna happen. There's always the plan. Wait after high school.
Oh my God. Do you even know anybody there?
Don't worry, I planned everything out. I already know what's gonna
Oh
happen.
my God.
Yeah.
What the? That's crazy though.
That's why I've been that's why I need to make credit card now, so I can start building my credit up and go get ready.
Yeah.
That's big news.
I keep telling myself I'm doing this for acting, and yeah, that's the case, but I lost the real reason why I'm leaving. I want a better life. I want to be a better person. I don't want to keep being sad anymore. I don't want to keep telling myself that things are going to get better. I have believed lately that things happen for a reason, and that's true. They do, but why does everything bad have to happen to me? I give everything to people, and at the end of the day, people don't give a shit about me. For example, my old job. I gave everything to that job. Everything. I basically left school because of it. But at the end of the day, they didn't care about me. They stopped giving me hours. They completely cut me off. Life is just so hard. But that's why I want to start fresh. Chicago will always be in my life, but for now, I'm starting a new life. Success isn't going to come to me. I need to go out and get it. I don't want to be just Josh. I want to be the amazing Josh that people will say, "How did you keep going?" I'm tired of being a nobody, even if I'm only 18. But the first step in being someone is risking everything. There's no going back from this. There really isn't. Once I'm gone, and I will do whatever it takes to become someone. I don't know what happens next. I really don't. That's why I have decided to move to Los Angeles to get a fresh start. I'm just gonna pack everything and hope for the best. And I'm ready to risk everything because I have nothing to lose. I can't stop now. Now when everything is at stake. I'm ready for you, Los Angeles. I just hope you're ready for me.
I'm finally here. What? No. In the summertime? I'm gonna move. Oh yeah, I never said that. I'm figured something you want to do. I'm gonna leave then end of the summertime. You wanna move? Huh? Something I wanna do. I'm moving to Los Angeles in early September.
What? Joshua.
I'm moving to Los Angeles in September. That's why I've been trying to do it myself. That's why I bought a ticket July, middle of July. I'm going to visit for a couple of days.
And then what?
I'm pursuing acting and film and YouTube. I'm moving to LA.
Really?
Yeah, for sure thing. That's why I booked it a couple months ago to go visit in July.
Uh-huh.
And took a couple days in July so I can start like actually buying the house, apartment. That's why I've been saving. That's why I've been trying to get my credit card.
Really?
Yeah.
Josh. Hey, Josh.
Sorry, one of the personalities took over.
One of the personalities.
Doesn't everyone have personalities?
Well, has this been happening since the event?
Don't remind me.
Josh, I think I know what you have.
What is it?
You have